يبي. التعلم المقلوب للصف الأول. Year 1 Arabic في Planning.
What are we going to learn today? We are going to learn how to write letters that are similar in pronunciation. Listen and try to write the letter. واحد د د as in ديك ديك. Next اض اض as in ضرس ضرس. اثنان س س as in سوس سوس. Next إص إص as in صوص صوص. ثلاثة إث إث as in ثعلب ثعلب. Last إذ إذ as in ذيل ذيل. Now it's time to assess your learning. Give yourself 2 stars for 2 things you did it well, and 1 wish. 1 wish means 1 thing you need to focus more next time. شكرا لكم. مع السلامة.